Stress is common now in our daily life schedule, but stress can hamper your normal life and also your skin and hair. So, to get rid of stress, use Mystiq Living Stress Relief Roll On. Essential oil blend combines the therapeutic properties of lavender, Ylang Ylang, lemon, and bergamot, which provides relaxation from mental stress. A soothing and calming aroma created by Ylang Ylang and lavender works on the nervous system to overcome stress and anxiety, adds a deeper sense of calmness by quieting the mind and offering spiritual grounding, create a sense of relaxation leading to being in the mood when their scent is inhaled. How to use: liberally roll it over temples. Inhale the aroma deeply. So grab this product now. Link is in the description below. To know more, visit our website www.mystiqliving.com. Do like, share and subscribe to be updated.